I don't know if you can see it on the camera, but there's a shark.
Did you ask the search for shark?
Five checks out, they're throwing that
All day.
all day. Go and tell your boyfriend to come back.
Let's keep it.
Oh baby.
What?
How does it feel to catch a fish?
Make sure you call in here and say hello and buy lots of stuff. They're a really friendly couple of you. It's a sale too, if anyone wants to buy it. What are we doing, boys?
Waiting for the rain to stop. Yep.
Hey?
It's horrendous.
It's horrendous, isn't it?
Yeah.
It's torrential.
As soon as you got it.
soon as we got
here.
here.
To go fishing. At the start it.
We got up.
Come the other way.
We got up at 5 o'clock this morning, come fishing. As soon as we got here to the jetty down there we were going fishing, it started raining. And now we're going to sit here and wait for the rain to go, and hopefully go catch some fish for breakfast. Hey, reckon we'll catch some fish? Hey, Rhys has been catching, we didn't get them on film because me and Shay have been up at the caravan here, but Rhys has got 3 big flatheads so far off the wall. What else has he got off the wall? We've got a fair few fish. Yeah, Ross the cuttle runner. We come to Turkey Beach, the fishing is pretty much better off the wall.
I lost the big ass fish. I
off
lost
the wall.
this big. I casted the oysters for the flathead.
What do you do?
I lost
Hang on,
the
buddy.
big fish. I cast on the oysters and bounced along the flathead.
You should be out sitting along the front of the oyster here.
I lost the big fish that was in the galley that went under, so I snapped my line because I couldn't get it.
Yeah. Colin caught a shark the other day, didn't you?
Oh my god, I can't believe I just caught a shark! Is that a bull shark? I can't believe I just caught a bull shark! No! Shark! Yep.
There you go. We'll sit here and continue waiting for this rain to go. I don't know if you can see it on the camera, but there's a shark. There's a big shark out there right now just cruising along. You just see his fin hanging out. I'll try and zoom in on it and see if you can see it. There's sharks here everywhere. You know there isn't a shark nest. Every afternoon we sit down here and have a coffee and we see at least 3 or 4 big bull sharks swimming past. And there's one out there now. Definitely won't be swimming in this place. We're on here, Carmen's got a finger mark. Put him down, I'll come help you. What's Rhys got? Another flathead.
Oh my god! Oh yeah, that's a good flathead. Literally?
And he's gone. I knew that was going to happen.
Damn it.
What'd you try and lift him in for?
I don't know.
Got another one, do you?
I saw it. We got told that I caught 2 finger marks.
Heaps of flathead here.
I told you that.
I thought they didn't catch them in North Queensland.
I reckon they don't. I just don't think they fish for them properly.
I cooked about 10 probably.
I lost a mangrove jack over there this morning.
Oh.
Took a good jack and lost it under the wall.
Any big? Oh yeah. We got another flathead! The baby! He'd be legal. Yep, he'd be 33.
Oh, what? No,
No, Julie.
that's the second one. We just got one before.
Julie, you
A bit
come
bigger.
in the
This one's a bit
like
smaller.
this?
And Rhys.
Rhys lost one.
Big 60 probably.
What did you lose yesterday?
Meter. And I caught a jack yesterday. Tiny, no? Still mangrove jack.
Where'd you get him?
5-inch Berkeley jack shad.
Nice.
Here's the second one I've got. Probably too small, isn't he?
I'll measure
Yeah,
it.
chuck it back.
I'll get the measure though. Oh my god, that's got me.
Go steady.
That might be good today. That might actually be a good one. Oh, it is.
Go, one.
I'm losing it.
Maybe he's cast over here.
No, you're not casting where I am. Oh yeah, that's good fish.
Colin's got a good fish.
That's a decent.
Watch him around the pylons. He's going to try and do you around here.
Yeah, it's a kingy. It's a kingy. It's going to snap my
What
rod.
do you got? You got a cobia.
He's got a cobia.
Oh, that's a moor. It's a mora.
Oh, you got me excited then. Yeah! I'm the fish catcher.
Colin's got the fish catcher.
I got it, Dad.
Hold him. Hold your catch.
Look at this, everyone. Look at my second fish. Good. I am on fire.
You are on fire, aren't you, buddy?
Yeah. Throw it back in, Kelly.
Roll back.
That's a decent.
I don't know what it is.
I hope it doesn't see my bait.
There it is. What is it? Cod.
Everyone get off the one
It's a nice cod, isn't it, Rhys?
Yes. Dinner.
You're going to look at it.
Oh yeah.
Well done,
That's dinner,
Dad.
Dad.
Woo. My first cod.
Here's a look.
Thanks, Rhys.
No, we already have dinner.
Yep.
We can have 2 fishes.
Finally, Dad broke his fishing drought.
Ah, did you have to
Sorry, watch out.
Little 5-inch jerk shad. Been throwing that
All day.
all day
That's a pretty fish.
for about 6 hours. Watching everyone else catch fish, but I finally caught a fish. And it's
I haven't
dinner.
caught one yet either, Dad.
Yeah.
Not tonight.
You gonna eat that, babe?
Yeah, it's ugly.
They're ugly, aren't they? They're meant to be really good eating.
Hello.
Anyway, that's my first cod.
Guys,
Pretty fish.
You ready to catch it, girl?
you want to get in the boat?
You gotta pull it in, darling.
No. Oh yes! It's a big. Oh, it's a. Gets taken out.
Another Jenny.
We're trying to let you out here. You're being a brat.
Yes, she is. Go and tell your boyfriend to come back. Flathead.
Is it? Big one. Can we keep it? Let's keep it.
Oh, baby.
Just a baby. Can we? Bit little. It's a dusky by the looks. Let's eat it.
Let's eat it, he said. No.
Yes.
How big is it? Not that big, is it?
It's a little.
From a flathead in about a foot of water.
Oh, look at the spikes.
How does it feel to catch a fish?
Good, it'd be better if it was a better fish. It's alright to catch a little flathead, but hopefully something better. Let him go, eh?
Yep.
He's going to die.
What a good spot. Turkey Beach is the best spot we've been to by far yet. Highly recommended. If anyone gets a chance, it's a hidden little spot. No one knows about it too much. Pretty quiet.
No camping.
There's no camping, but so it's a bit hard. There's no water out here. There's no nothing. So you're not meant to camp out here. We got lucky enough and got on a block and got to stay here. So if you come out here, you'll have to work something like that out. But it's worth it. All the locals are so friendly. Never met such friendly people. Everyone comes and chats to you. The little shop. Everyone knows everyone's name. Kids have been fishing with all the locals. Great spot. Highly recommended to come here.
I think we found our new home.
Yep, I think we found our new home. I think we might be moving here one day. just short of the Crocs. Beautiful little spot that I could call home one day.
Acreage around the corner, beachfront blocks.
Beachfront blocks. There's working cattle farms only 5 minutes away.
Beautiful little park.
This is the little, if you ever come to Turkey Beach, this is the little shop here. Actually call in here and say hello and buy lots of stuff. They're a really friendly couple here. It's a sale too, if anyone wants to buy it.
And it's since the shop was established, it's only had 4 owners.
And all 4 owners still live here. Great little shop, great people that own it too.
Where to, Daddy?
We're going to Tannum Sands Caravan Park. Going to get like 400mm rain over the next 4 days, so going to go bunker in at the caravan park there, wait it out, rest, relax, and then back to more fishing once the rain passes.
Bye, Turkey Beach.
Bye.